Hey guys, Gian here of Gadget Pilipinas. We're now here sa briefing ni Samsung where they launched a few products. They announced the new Galaxy Tab S10 Lite and also the Galaxy Buds 3 FE and this is the Galaxy Buds Core. Now, let's talk about the Galaxy Buds Core. What's really interesting about this is that its form factor, napakaliit niya. It's actually the first in the series na hindi buds saka numbered. No? This is the Buds Core. It has 3 microphones. You can use it for one click for pausing and playing. And you can even use it for interpretation purposes, especially if you're using a Samsung smartphone. Now, you can get this for 2,690 pesos. At ito ay naka-sale kapag binili mo siya with an A07 or A17 for only 1,990 pesos. Really good value, especially if you're looking for a new buds from Samsung.